In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove View Only mode in Google Sheets so you or others can edit the file. Start by opening your Google Sheet and clicking the Share button in the top right corner. This is where all permissions are controlled. Once the Share window opens, look under General Access. If it says Viewer, that means the file is currently View Only. To remove this, click the drop-down next to the Access setting. You'll see options like Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. Change it to Editor to allow editing. If you want to give access to a specific person, enter their email in the Add People section, then set their role to Editor from the drop-down next to their name. If the file is restricted, you can also switch it to anyone with the link and then set it to Editor. But only do this if you're okay with broader access. One important thing, if you're not the owner of the sheet, you won't be able to change permissions. In that case, click Request Access and ask the owner to grant you editing rights. That's it. Just update the permissions to Editor and the View Only restriction is removed.